I just want to quickly play out this conversation that you had earlier with some of the protesting farmers and what really their stand is, and whether they're willing to back off or they're going to push ahead and head to Delhi.
आपकी बातचीत हुई अभी पुलिस वालों से, क्या निकल के आए सामने? क्या वो आपको दिल्ली क्रॉस करने देंगे?
ये सुरेंद्र यादव इधर पुलिस के सीनियर, उनसे हमारी बात हुई है। वो बोले आप लोग आधा घंटा बैठो, हम आपसे बात करने के लिए आएंगे। उन्होंने ये भी बोला मैं किसान का बेटा हूँ। वो बोले इधर कोविड है, कोविड का जो बहाना मार रहे हैं, भी कोविड है, कोविड के लिए हम लोग आपको रोक रहे हैं, ऐसे हम नहीं रोक रहे।
साढ़े आउंदा दे थ्रू गोलो छोड़ते ही आउंदा दे
इधर बात करने आए हैं, अथरू गैस छोड़ते हैं, पानी की बिछारे छोड़ते हैं। हमारे पास ना लाठी है ना हमारे पास कोई असला है, हमारे पास बात है, सच्चाई है। हम अपने
महीना लगे 2 महीना लगे राशन पानी अपनी ट्रालियां लेके आए जी, अपना हक लेके जावांगे। महीना लगे 2 महीना लगे, सानू जो कुछ करना मोदी साहब जो मर्जी सानू मार देना, मर के चले जाऊंगे पर हक लेके जावांगे।
चढ़ गए हैं और उसको क्षतिग्रस्त भी किया जा चुका है और पुलिस से मान मनोबल की स्थिति बनी हुई है।
Let me take this back across to Milind Sharma. Milind, at this point, things are getting tense where you're standing because the farmers now are pushing ahead, very restless. They're making very clear that they're going to make their way into Delhi. We saw this playing out of the Shambhu border yesterday where they managed to push their way through into Haryana using tractors. Do you see a similar kind of deployment here as well?
Well, let me just tell my camera person to pan and show you once more now. The farmers at that end of the border, very close to the Singhu border, in fact, have raised their flags and they are taking their positions to move forward. But let me tell you, they have come very close to the border at this point because on one side, we can hear the police continuously making announcements. So I'll ask Bakar Ahmed to pan his camera and show here that the police personnel ready in their anti-riot gear over here is making continuous announcements for the farmers to move back because as I mentioned earlier, they do not have any orders to let these farmers enter the Delhi region, and which is why they are being told to position their guns over here, and it seems likely that they would be firing another tear gas shell to contain the crowd. Many warnings have already been given, Akshita, many warnings, and you're looking at live visuals here where the police has taken their positions. It is possible that they may fire another tear gas shell to contain the crowd at this point of time, Akshita.
Okay, Milind, just stay with me. Just about 2 hours back, there was an attempt to end this stalemate. As we beam these live visuals for you of the police again appealing to farmers. You've got them, in fact, appealing, saying, please go back, retreat. None of that happening at this point. The farmers are pushing forward. Their numbers have increased.